When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. Yeah, you're so very special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't care if it hurts. I want to have control. I want perfect body. I want a perfect soul. And I want you to know this when I'm not around. You're so very special. Yeah, I wish I was special. But I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, oh, she runs. Well, she's running out again. I said she's running out. She runs, 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 Why I said she runs. I said she whatever makes you happy, whatever you want. You're so very special. Yeah, we sure are special.